No product, no comb, just fingers. Hi, my beautiful people. So my locks are 3.5 years old. It is the beginning of January 2026. And the last time I retwisted my locks was early March 2024. So that means it has been a year and 10 months. Okay, so yes, it has been a year and 10 months since the last time I retwisted my hair. And it's been that long because I've been saying that I'm not going to retwist my hair ever again. But I think I'm finally ready for a retwist. I have a lot of loose hairs, a lot of hairs that are not growing with the locks. So I need to get them back in their place. And I want them to, you know, mesh and mold with the right lock. I also just did a much needed wash. So check out that video to see an updated wash day. So I'm going to be doing this retwist with just water. I'm going to be using this clove water. My hair is like maybe 5 to 10% wet. So I'm just going to spray this in the spot like where I'm retwisting at the roots. I think I'm going to like bunch my locks into like 6s and just like rubber band them so that the retwist stays. I don't want to do a twist out or braid out or curls because I want to see how long my locks are. And then I might need to use this comb. I usually like to use as least tools as possible or no tools, but it's a little crazy back there. So I might have to get up in there with this thing, but I'm gonna try my best not to. And yeah, that's it. So when I retwist my hair, I like to start in the back and work my way to the front. So that's what I'm gonna do. It actually shouldn't take that long because I only have 36 locks. So no way, my hair is right here. Am I going crazy? Oh my God, am I going crazy? Yeah, let me just give y'all a good view of the scariness that's happening back here. These hairs here, like these are about to start their own little mini locks here. And I think I actually did start another lock on purpose. See if we keep that one. It's time to get started. Quit stalling. Look at all this hair. Okay, so I got half of my locks done. Yes, I'm liking how this looks. Now I think I can move to the front. My parts are not perfect. I really just put the hairs where they are already starting to attach. I don't try to force perfect parts. Okay, so all right, I'm down to the last 6. And I successfully did all this with no comb, just fingers. I left my hair like this for 2 days to dry, air dry. I really just needed 1 day, but not that much hair is coming out. All right, I'm gonna spray some cold water to loosen it up a little bit. I cannot believe I retwisted my hair. Wow. And this shit crispy too. No product. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be spraying it. Like, comment below the longest you went without a retwist. So it's been a week since I retwisted, and I want to show y'all what my roots are looking like. Since I don't like palm roll down the whole lock, a lot of my loose hair is like still right here. Like over time, all this hair around here that's not locked in, eventually it will bud and lock up right here and be solid like the rest. But overall, after a week, just water, it's pretty plain. Like obviously my parts are still intact. It's still intact. Just frizzy, which I expect. I really would just have to like wash my hair for it to actually unravel at the roots. Oh, looks like this one has come undone. It's not tight like this one. I'll probably just leave it like that. I won't fix it. If you have any questions about anything, comment below. I will answer them. Until next time, peace.